Best places to visit in Turkey. Welcome to the land where East meets West. Turkey, rich in history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes, is one of the most captivating travel destinations in the world. Whether you're drawn to ancient ruins, vibrant bazaars, or stunning coastlines, Turkey has it all. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey through the best places to visit in Turkey. Number 1. Istanbul, where continents collide. Welcome to Istanbul, the only city in the world where two continents, Europe and Asia, come together in perfect harmony. With its skyline dotted by minarets and ancient domes, Istanbul is a captivating blend of cultures, histories, and traditions. Begin your journey at the awe-inspiring Hagia Sophia, a masterpiece that has served as a church, mosque, and now a museum. Just steps away, the Blue Mosque enchants visitors with its 6 towering minarets and intricate blue tiles. Number 2. Cappadocia, land of fairy chimneys. Cappadocia, a place where nature, history, and fantasy collide. Carved by wind and time, this surreal landscape in central Turkey is home to the famous fairy chimneys, towering rock formations that look like something from another planet. No trip to Cappadocia is complete without experiencing the magic of a hot air balloon ride at sunrise. As you rise gently above the valleys, watch the sky come alive with vibrant colors and floating balloons, a scene you'll never forget. Stay in a cozy cave hotel, taste traditional Anatolian cuisine, and feel the deep connection to history and earth in every moment. Number 3. Bodrum, Turkey. Turkey's sparkling gem on the Aegean coast, where ancient history meets modern luxury. Once known as Halikarnassus, Bodrum is home to the ruins of the Mausoleum of Halikarnassus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. But today, this charming town is better known for its whitewashed houses, cobblestone alleys, and vibrant lifestyle that attracts travelers from around the world. Whether you want to relax on pristine beaches, dive into turquoise waters, or sail the Aegean on a traditional gullet boat, Bodrum offers the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation. By night, the city comes alive. From stylish rooftop lounges to beachside bars and world-class clubs. Number 4. Antalya, the Turkish Riviera. The dazzling heart of the Turkish Riviera, where crystal-clear waters meet dramatic cliffs and history whispers through every stone. Nestled along the Mediterranean coast, Antalya is a paradise for sun-seekers, history lovers, and adventure travelers alike. Relax on the stunning beaches of Konyaaltı and Lara, or take a boat ride along the turquoise coast, discovering hidden coves and cascading waterfalls like the breathtaking Dudun Falls. Step back in time at ancient sites like Purge, Aspendos, and Termessos, some of the best preserved ruins in Turkey. And don't miss the remarkable Roman theater of Aspendos, still hosting performances after 2,000 years. Whether you're hiking in the Taurus Mountains, enjoying luxury resorts, or simply watching the sunset over the Mediterranean, Antalya offers a perfect blend of nature, culture, and relaxation. Number 5. Pamukkale, the Cotton Castle. Welcome to Pamukkale, one of Turkey's most magical natural wonders, known as the Cotton Castle, for its dazzling white terraces that look like clouds frozen in time. Formed over thousands of years, these terraces are made of calcium-rich mineral deposits from hot spring waters that flow down the hillside, creating surreal, step-like pools. The result is a shimmering white landscape unlike anything else in the world. But Pamukkale isn't just a natural masterpiece, it's also a place of deep historical significance. At the top of the terraces lies the ancient city of Hierapolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Walk through Roman streets, explore the Grand Amphitheater, and take a dip in the Cleopatra Pool, a thermal spring filled with submerged marble columns. Legend says it was a gift from Mark Antony to Cleopatra herself. Whether you're soaking in warm waters with panoramic views or strolling among ancient ruins, Pamukkale offers a rare blend of relaxation, beauty, and history. Number 6. Trabzon, Turkey. Welcome to Trabzon, a lush and historic city nestled between the Black Sea and the Pontic Mountains, where nature and culture thrive in harmony. Unlike the sun-drenched beaches of southern Turkey, Trabzon offers a completely different experience. Cooler air, misty green hills, and landscapes that feel almost untouched. This is where Turkey shows its wilder, more mysterious side. Start your journey with the iconic Sumila Monastery, clinging dramatically to a cliffside 1,200 meters above sea level. Built in the 4th century, this sacred site offers incredible views and a deep sense of serenity. Explore Uzungöl, a picture-perfect mountain lake surrounded by pine forests and alpine-style cottages, ideal for hiking, boating, or just soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. Number 7. Ephesus, ancient Roman splendor. Ephesus was once a thriving metropolis and a key trade center of the Roman Empire. Today, it stands as one of the best-preserved ancient cities in the world, drawing history lovers from across the globe. Walk along the marble-paved streets and imagine life 2,000 years ago. Behold the breathtaking Library of Celsus, with its grand columns and intricate carvings. Don't miss the Temple of Artemis, one of the original 7 wonders of the ancient world. Although only a few columns remain, its legacy endures. Ephesus isn't just a collection of ruins, it's a living museum, a story carved in stone that reveals the heart of classical civilization. Whether you're a historian, a traveler, or simply curious, Ephesus is a must-visit stop on any journey through Turkey. Number 8. Mount Ararat and Eastern Turkey. Welcome to Eastern Turkey, a land of rugged beauty, rich cultures, and ancient legends, home to one of the most iconic natural landmarks in the region, Mount Ararat. Towering at over 5,100 meters, 16,800 feet, Mount Ararat is Turkey's highest peak and steeped in myth. According to tradition, it's believed to be the resting place of Noah's Ark, adding a layer of intrigue to its already majestic presence. Adventurers and mountaineers from around the world come here to take on the challenging ascent and experience its breathtaking alpine views. But Eastern Turkey is more than just Ararat. Number 9. Bursa and Uludağ, the first capital of the Ottoman Empire, and a city where rich history meets natural beauty. Nestled at the foot of Mount Uludağ, Bursa is a 4-season destination, but it truly shines in winter. Uludağ, meaning Great Mountain, is Turkey's premier ski and winter sports resort. Just a short drive or cable car ride from the city, this alpine paradise offers skiing, snowboarding, snowmobiling, and cozy mountain lodges with stunning views. Number 10. Eastern Black Sea and Kaçkar Mountains. The Eastern Black Sea region and the majestic Kaçkar Mountains, where emerald green hills, misty valleys, and roaring rivers create a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Unlike Turkey's more popular tourist hubs, the Eastern Black Sea offers a refreshingly authentic experience. Explore Rize's tea plantations, wander through charming highland villages like Ida, and feel the cool mountain air rejuvenate your soul. At the heart of this region stands the Kaçkar Mountains, known as the Alps of Turkey. With peaks soaring above 3,900 meters, this untouched wilderness is a dream for hikers, climbers, and photographers. Whether you're drawn to rich history, vibrant culture, breathtaking nature, or unforgettable food, Turkey offers something for every kind of traveler. So, which place would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.